I am so sorry. Had the mic muted this whole time. This is the kind of week I've been having. How about you guys? Let me go over that real quick again. Thank you so much for listening in and being here. So we've got this big, massive snow. Well, I don't want to use the word massive. Massive to me is a foot or better, but we could see at least a half a foot of snow tomorrow. The big time frame that we're looking at right there is going to be somewhere. It's going to be somewhere there. Thank you very much for that. It's going to be somewhere right around the afternoon hours. So the commute tomorrow morning may not be too bad, but tomorrow evening, that's a different story. It could be a game changer. So basically, what we're looking at right now is we are under a winter weather warning. Now, the warnings mean that conditions are imminent, not favorable, but they are imminent for winter type weather, snowfall, cold weather, etc. You get the idea. You know what that stuff is. But this affects almost all of eastern, southeastern, and even parts of central Kentucky. When I took a look at that Doppler radar map earlier, it was massive what we are covering right there. Okay. So here's what we're looking at for the areas as follows: Bell County, Breathitt, Clay, Floyd, Harlan, Jackson, Johnson, Knott, Knox, Laurel, Lee, Leslie, Letcher, McGoffin, Martin, McCreary, Morgan County, Owsley, Perry, Pike, Whitley, and Wolfe, Kentucky, Wolfe County. Uh, Sometime around 11 o'clock, this winter storm warning is going to kick in, and it's not going to let up until about 10 o'clock that night. Heavy snow is expected. Somewhere between 4 to 7 inches is what the Weather Service is calling for right now. That is going to make travel extremely difficult tomorrow evening. So if you don't have to get out, then please don't. Now, we know that the highway crews work on an ABC system. Okay, A is the primary roads. For example, in this area, US 23 north and south. Then B's are like the smaller roads, such as North Lake, South Lake Drive, University Drive, those kind of places. And then C is the smaller state operated roads that aren't traveled as much, but they still need attention. Yes, I hate to say that because then people are like, well, hell, I live there. That's pretty important to me. Well, it is to us too. That's why we are on the air right now, or I'm on the air with this thing for Q95 FM to tell you, be careful. Take a lot of time in getting to where you need to go tomorrow, and make sure that you log on to Q95FM.net. You can always get delays and cancellations there, and listen to us on 95.5. We'll be providing weather forecasts that are up to date and travel advisories, if any. But again, this winter storm warning is effective from 11 o'clock tomorrow morning until 10 o'clock tomorrow night. Now, because of that, we do have some delays and cancellations. We'll run over those real quick. No school tomorrow in Floyd, Johnson, and Pike County. Pike County is going to be having an NTI day, okay? Jenkins Independence closed tomorrow. Knott County, the home of the Patriots, they are closed tomorrow with an NTI day, it looks like. Leslie County, no school. Letcher County, no school, both with NTI days tomorrow. Martin County is closed tomorrow, too, an NTI day there. Pike County is closed both tomorrow and Friday with NTI days in store. Powell County, that school system is closed down with an NTI day, at least tomorrow that we know of. And of course, if you are watching this video on Facebook Live, streaming to wherever you may be at, Science Hill Independent, Somerset Independent, Whitley County, New Hope Christian Academy, Menifee County, McCreary County. We already covered some of the others, I think, but also just to make sure, Jenkins Independent, Jackson County. Also, something I want to mention, the Hazard Perry County Senior Citizen Center, they'll be closed Thursday with drive-through lunch service only. Harlan County, we just got word Harlan County is closed down tomorrow with an NTI day. Corbin Independent, same thing, closed NTI days. Breathitt County is closed tomorrow. The Breathitt County school systems are closed tomorrow. They will be offering, or they will be having, NTI instruction. And Barberville Independent, I should say, and Bell County. So the timing of this storm tomorrow, expect it to be sometime to start around 11 o'clock. But here's the kicker. By the afternoon hours, snowfall could reach up to 1 inch per hour. If you are out, or if you've not gone to the store yet, please do so this evening. At the time of this recording right now, at least Eastern Standard, it's 18 minutes past the hour of 7 o'clock. The roads are still in good shape. There's nothing really going on out there right now. Now, this continues because here's what's going to happen. You're going to see the snow move into the region tomorrow, beginning at around 11 or 12, maybe even as late as 1 o'clock, and it's going to start coming down. and it's going to start coming down a little heavier and a little heavier and a little heavier. Okay, so this thing moves out around 10 or 11 or even midnight, Thursday into Friday morning. Friday's highs are forecast at 25. So what turns to ice is going to stay ice because it's not going to reach that freezing point in which things start to melt. 32 and above. Actually, it's slightly above 32. Things will start to melt. So please exercise extreme caution. Remember to listen to 95.5 Q95 FM, Eastern Kentucky's best. You will get the information there. Plus, we are going to have it online at q95fm.net. And I promise you this time, when I'm on the air in the morning, or when Mackenzie's on the air, or Gorm or whoever, will actually have her microphone turned on for the first few minutes. That's the kind of week I've been having. Hope yours has been a little bit better. So, we thank you guys so much for listening. And remember, right up there in the corner, Q95 FM, we care about our listeners. I care about you guys. We all care about you guys. Gorm cares about you guys. We want everybody to stay safe, stay sound, stay warm, and stay healthy. Uh, the impacts, I don't think that we've had a snow quite this big in a while. I mean, and I'm even talking last winter, of course. Yeah, if the forecast hits the mark for that listening, for this area, for that area, it's going to be something. One other thing I wanted to mention, a new Mountain Mysteries episodes, The Mountain Mysteries, drops Friday. Okay, and this one is about a little girl named Alicia Rudd. When you hear this, I'm telling you, and I'm sorry I didn't get to promote this. This was kind of like a last minute thing. I was actually in here working up some stuff and getting things ready for tomorrow. But I'm telling you right now, tomorrow could be a real deal kind of thing. So exercise extreme caution. Give yourself plenty of time to get where you need to go. And if you don't have to be out, stay inside. Let the highway crews do their job. Okay. So I hope that you guys have a great evening. Thank you so much for listening. And until I talk to you again, which would be tomorrow morning on 95.5, I'm Chris Slone. God bless. Stay safe. We love you all. Thanks for listening.